Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Tuesday 19th of July, and it pretty much seems like SLP, I'm just gonna drop this a little bit down there, and it's pretty much right on the money because this is a huge support level, and I will say that it's an amazing entry with a stop loss down at 398 at the moment. So if you do take this trade, do keep in mind that this could be a 2%, 2.3% drop, and since Bitcoin is breaking out, there's a lot of hope right now for SLP to make 22% move to the upside as well. So here we go, and right now I actually like what SLP is doing because you do have this left shoulder as well, the head and the right shoulder, and you're pretty much looking to continue higher. So the technical target out of this one, let me remove this junk of drawing. There's too much drawings. I don't even like how they're looking right now. So yeah, here we are. This is going to be the main neckline that I'm looking for. Okay, and for that neckline, I'm just going to go into the side here, click on this pattern, and just go for the head and shoulder. Where the hell is this one? Yeah, this one right over here, and you're going to click on head and shoulders just like that. And once you click on the head and shoulder, this is pretty much your left shoulder in the making. You did have the head down there, right? Just like that. This was your right shoulder right over here, taken out like this. Okay, inverse head and shoulder, that one being your neckline right now, and then you're looking for this one to go from there to there, and we're looking for a pretty much next technical target being up here at 504, 506 level. So that's going to be an amazing if right now you're entering with a stop loss down here at nearly 398, because I would recommend you to put a stop loss at 398. So from there to there, you're looking for an amazing 23% move to the upside as well. And the Bitcoin is actually breaking out as well. But one thing is pretty clear: we haven't really broken out of this level. You still yet have to break out of that level and backtest and hold it. It's been a previous resistance as well, so that's the line that we're looking to break out of. And that's it for today's update on SLP. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. If you want to learn trading as well, do check out the trading course and join our Discord for absolutely free. Okay, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.